The experience has been very, very special. I feel alive, I feel fresh, I feel like I want to live.
We have an incredible team of highly skilled and experienced facilitators who come here to hold space and deliver their expertise in 5 domains: the body, the mind, relationships on the spiritual level, and with regards to working with emotions, releasing emotions.
I experienced a massive shift like no other before.
You can feel the shifts taking place. You can feel the energy move through your body. You know, you can feel the aliveness.
Shelley presents in a manner that is easy for one to understand, to relate to.
Tariq is the most amazing man in this world. So if I have to model myself, I want to be Tariq one day.
To be in this space is absolutely magical.
It's serene, it's peaceful, it's got a vibration to it.
I'm very grateful and honored to be here exploring with these amazing people.
At the end of the day, you walk away from this retreat with something tangible that you can actually use.
It felt like I let go of pain that's been sitting in my physical body.
The shifts that happens inside are so profound, and I never expected that anything like this is even possible.